Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here is the Axe Hawaiian Vibes Shower Gel. This smells so good. It definitely has a very tropical scent to it. I like the consistency of this shower gel as well. It holds on to my loofah really nice. I like that it is made with plant-based cleansers. It's paraben-free, so it's not only cleaning your skin, it smells good, but it doesn't have those yucky chemicals. I would highly recommend this. I like that it comes in this big 18-ounce bottle, which is going to last you a while, and it smells really good. It lasts all day. I like also the fact that it leaves my skin feeling soft. And another thing that I look for in shower gels is, does the scent stay on your skin? And this one does. And that's also a really nice feature. It's also made from recycled plastic, so if you're looking to do something a little bit better for the environment, then I would choose this, but that's just my point of view.